remember I went up to Momo one day. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. Went up to Momo and he was laughing. And I said, why are you laughing? I said, you must have passed the law boards. He says, not only that, I finally got beer at the stadium. How's about a beer?
Lois, come on. Lois, come here. Here, tell me how it was at the amp last night.
That's going to be worse, you moron.
How was it at the amp?
Got no brains?
How was it at the amp?
I did 48 cases.
Yeah, you did 48.
It's the all-time record.
Yeah, sure.
I just want to say, I hit the bruiser and he went down like a...
Is Maury still working? Huh? Is Maury still working? Still working. Seymour's here, you know. Seymour's here? Say something. Say Marshall, you're getting handsomer every day, let me say.
Goodbye, goodbye.
You look very good.
Lipsky, you're a star. In the Lipsky Theater. Lipsky, you had stroke yet? No, because I want it downstairs. I don't want to work upstairs. You want to work upstairs? It's too cold upstairs. I have to leave after... Later, too? Huh? Is that later in the year, too? Well, if it warms up.
Oh. You gotta love this guy.
How about third base, Jeff?
Did you get third base? Third base throws? KD,
you gotta love it, MR. You gotta love it. You gotta love it.
Oh. Stop saying a few words on the camera, man, buddy.
How are you, boys?
Not bad. How about yourself?
Very good.
Good. How was the winter?
Very good.
Good. Good. I wish I could have spent the winter in Florida. I don't blame you. Elmer. Hey, Elmer. Yeah. Everybody's heard about the nerd. The nerd. Nerd is the word. The nerd. Nerd is the word. Nerd. Horsewhip.
I mean, horsewhip.
Yeah, we need a horsewhip. Where's the line? We need a horsewhip. The whip. The whip. The whip. The whip. The whip. Again. One more. Another whip. Again. Oh, what a relief. What do you got about vending this year?
Vending this year, 1978, we're coming off the greatest year in vending history. And we're looking forward to big changes and big things this year in vending. And we're hoping that this year can prove to be the equal of last year. We don't think it will be, but only time will tell. That's vending, 1978.
Fuck this hit. Fuck Bill. Fuck him what he says. I got too many guys. Go home.
182 on the wrist. What? Getting Jay excited. You excited him. I did not. You excited him. You excited. These guys are more excited than me. Oh, more excited. All right, calm him down. It's a yellow alert. All right. Don't grab him. Let him breathe. Let him breathe. Let him breathe.
Hutch is more excited than anyone here. Look at his head. Oh, darn.
Look at that red face. Yellow alert.
Darn. Cincinnati didn't make a play.
Oh, boy. Had this been an actual emergency of a red alert, we would have had him in a prone position, and we would have been ready to administer artificial respiration. Keeping Jay calm is a full-time job. We never rest.
I don't know yet. Dan. Here, come here. Here we go. Ruth, smile for the camera, will you, Ruth?
Look at it,
Ruth!
What?
Smile. Where's Carol?
Where's Carol over by pizza?
Tell her to get over here and smile with the family.
When you got me, you don't need Carol.
That's right. I never. All right, you're right.
That's right.
Well, we got Ruth.
What do you want me to say? Try our delicious ballpark all beef hot dogs,
Really
right?
good. Ruth's doing an advertisement for sports service.
Oh, they're terrific. Dirt and all.
Hey, we're not supposed to say that. Come on, Ruth, you're wasting film.
Her turn now.
Maria, come here. Come here.
Hi, Margaret.
Get her on film. Come here.
Marie, don't be silly.
Maria, your boyfriend is gonna like you.
Hi there. Oh,
No wonder,
hi
Chloe.
there. Here, hold on.
Yeah, Rooster, hold just a hot dog without a bun. Come here. Come on out here. Come here. Smile for the camera, will you, Carol? There we go. Say something.
I'm busy.
Yeah, it looks like you're busy. Busy running from the camera. Come here. Quick. Mark, the battery. Go. Go, Mark. You gotta come out for the box. Carol, say something besides smiling at me. Hi. You're boring when you hi. Say something else. Okay,
You mind him.
yeah, it looks like you're pretty busy.
I want to go.
That's it. Lawrence, Island 4. Island 4 here. Come here. Say something. Hey, say something, will you? Wonderful, Island. Go, we'll say. Go. Say something.
I can't. I'm a camera shy. You know that.
Quit blushing. Say something about your glorious years in vending.
I owe it all to you, monk. You owe it right.
I got nothing to do with it.
Get away from it.
Come on.
I'm embarrassed. You know that. Look at this guy.
Embarrassed.
I'm camera shy. I was never made for the big time. Where am I? All right.